This short video will explain how to enable the optional Keyboarding Without Tears student enrichment activities called My Choice Keyboarding and Hear It Type It. Log in to your Plus Live Insights dashboard to enable enrichment activities. Start by navigating to the Classes and Students tab, and then select the gear to the far right of the class name. Next, you will select the Enrichment tab, and then select Enable for the specific enrichment activity. Once enabled, the activity will be added to the student application immediately following their next completed spot check assessment. The keyboarding content of the enrichment activity will align to the student's current progress within the curriculum. Remember to click the yellow Save Settings. To preview the enrichment activities as an educator, navigate to the Educator Resources tab and select Lesson Preview. You will find the enrichment activities have been added to the lesson preview following the spot checks. If you would like to experience the enrichment activities yourself, you can click on that week and then scroll down to the enrichment activity. Select that activity, and then you will be able to complete it yourself. To view the enrichment activity data, select the Reports tab, and then select your class. From the Class Summary tab, select Enrichment, and then indicate the report type, either My Choice Keyboarding or Hear It Type It. To view individual student data, go to the Students in Your Class tab, select the student name, Enrichment, and the report type. You will notice for both My Choice Keyboarding as well as with Hear It Type It, there is a green smiley face that will appear with the date of completion. For My Choice Keyboarding, you can download and/or print your students' independent responses. Both the My Choice Keyboarding and Hear It Type It student activities are now available for you to enable in your Plus Live Insights dashboard.